Okay, so we have a cylindrical container with a volume of 900 centimeters cubed. And we want to find the dimensions to minimize the material to make it. So that's the minimum surface area. We know that for minimum surface area, the height must equal to 2 times the radius. So that means that the volume of a cylinder, which is equal to pi r squared times height, the volume is equal to 900, and the height is equal to 2r. So now we can solve for r here. If we simplify this, we get 2 pi r cubed, and r will be the cubic root of 900 divided by 2 pi. And we get radius here to be approximately 5.2, and this is in centimeters. And then for height, we know that height has to be double of the radius, which is what we said, so we can multiply radius by 2, and we get 10.5 approximately.